I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul. You have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is forever yours.
Hi, as you can see, I decided to cook today. So I'm trying to find new things to do within this lockdown that we all have to adhere to. So I thought I'd cook a meat curry, a meat that I marinated earlier today in the morning. So the meat was marinated for a few hours in different types of masalas. I then kind of chopped onions, tomatoes, some bell peppers, garlic, ginger, added different types of masalas such as chili powder, garam masala, jeera seeds, a few other types of masalas, and then I cooked it and then I ate it. So enjoy the small video. Please subscribe to my new channel, like and comment, and if you want to see anything more and different, please comment below so that I can try and do what you want to see. But yeah, it'll be spontaneous stuff, so hopefully you'll enjoy my cooking. And like I said, please make a comment and please subscribe and help me continue with my channel. Thank you.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever